I wanted to share my stuffed bell peppers with ground beef and rice recipe. I'm Armenian and my husband and kids love when I make this. First things you'll need is to dissolve 3 tablespoons of chicken broth powder with 8 cups of warm water and set aside. Then cut the tops and clean inside of 5 bell peppers and also set those aside as well. Mix about 2/3 pound ground beef, half a chopped onion, half a cup of uncooked rice, 2 cloves of garlic, pepper, garlic salt, paprika, and my secret ingredient, Montreal Steak Seasoning. Then mix it all up and stuff those into the bell pepper, about 2/3 of the way up, as the rice will expand it. At the same time, the ground beef will shrink. Pour the 8 cups of chicken broth seasoned water into each stuffed bell pepper and fill the rest to the rim. Pour the 8 cups of chicken broth seasoned water into each stuffed bell pepper and fill to the rim. Then fill the remaining mixture into the surrounding pot until it reaches almost to the same level of the bell peppers. Then top off the bell peppers and start cooking. Boil for about 25 minutes at medium heat with the lid on. To know if it's ready, open a bell pepper and try a tiny spoon of the inside. If the rice is still hard, you may need to add a little bit more water and chicken broth mixture and boil for another 5 minutes or so. Please let me know how yours turns out. Enjoy!